What's this one? What's this one, buddy?
O.
Very good. That's an O. O stands for
Baboon.
octopus.
Apple.
What's this one?
O.
L. Good job. L stands for
Yellow.
lion. Very good. What does the lion say?
Whoa.
Roar. Good job. What's this one? No, it's not a 9. It's a letter.
B.
P. Good job. It's a P. P stands for
Double.
peacock.
Chicho.
What's this one?
Oh.
S. Take the key out of your mouth so we can hear you better. What's this one?
House.
S. Very good.
Really good, buddy.
What does S stand for?
Side.
Snake. Very good.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's a snake. What's this one?
Whoa. Tray.
Whoa. Look out for the snakes. What's this one?
He said it. What does it stand for?
J.
Say. Sasha.
J for Jack Jack. Yeah. What is this one?
Whoa.
Jellyfish. Whoa. What's this one?
Say. Food.
Jellyfish. Yeah.
What letter is this, buddy?
I like to throw them on the floor. Okay. What's this one? What letter? Can you tell Mama what letter? That's right. D, D, D.
Good job, buddy.
What's this?
Say.
K. Good.
Say.
What's this one? M. Good job. What's this one?
I.
Very good. I. What's this one?
G.
Good job. What's this one?
Baboon.
W. Good job. What's this one?
I.
N. Good. What's this one?
O.
R. Very good. Can you believe this?
E.
Very good job. This one he has trouble with.
D.
Q.
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 Yeah, that's a hard one, but you got it good, buddy.
Yeah. What about this one?
I.
Good job. A. He has trouble with this one too.
C.
G. Very good.
Good,
That was
Jacko.
good. Oh, this one's. What's this one?
Oh.
That's good. Remember how to do it with your teeth? F.
Up.
F.
Up.
Very
Good try,
good.
buddy. What's this one?
C.
Good.
U.
Good job.
C.
That one's hard too, huh? V.
V.
Good job. And last one?
Y.
Very good job. Yay!